Welcome to Tech's new tip. Discover the power of progress, where dangerous storms return their courage limits. Every gust of wind, every storm surge, every delicate handling phase makes watching a nerve-wracking experience a thrilling episode. Prepare for nerves of steel, because this action promises any moment. A colossal wave crashes violently against the storm barrier, shattering its defenses and surging forward with relentless force. The sheer impact topples entire homes in its wake, leaving behind a trail of destruction, as if the very ocean had decided to claim the land. The scene is chaos incarnate. Roaring winds whip through the air, turning debris into dangerous projectiles, while thunderclaps boom like cannon fire across the stormy sky. The howling gale tears through the landscape, bending rows of trees nearly to the ground. Their branches thrash wildly, as though desperately clinging to life. Lightning slices through the heavens, illuminating the devastation in fleeting, ghostly flashes. Each bolt reveals a world teetering on the brink, shattered rooftops, uprooted trees, and a horizon that seems swallowed by the encroaching storm. And then comes the hail. Ice packets, large enough to dent cars and shatter windows, rain down mercilessly, adding to the cacophony of destruction. The relentless barrage pounds against the battered remains of houses, ricocheting off surfaces with deafening intensity. The storm shows no mercy, its icy missiles further intensifying the chaos below. The entire scene feels apocalyptic, a testament to nature's unrelenting fury. As the storm rages on, it becomes clear that this is not just weather. This is a battle between humanity's creations and the unstoppable force of the elements. The storm is alive, its wrath unmatched, and its message clear. No structure, no barrier, and no force can truly stand against the raw power of the earth. A sudden blast of ferocious wind strikes, turning the girl's umbrella into a twisted, helpless wreck. In an instant, it's ripped from her grip and sent flying through the air, spinning wildly like a leaf caught in a storm. The once reliable shield against the elements is now nothing more than a fragile victim of the wind's unrelenting fury, disappearing into the chaos as if swallowed by the sky. The girl is left standing there, stunned, battling the relentless gale as nature makes it clear who's really in control. Hurricane Bert didn't just flood the streets, it turned an entire soccer field into a massive swimming pool. What used to echo with the sound of cheering fans and running players now ripples with waves of water. But here's the twist. Instead of despair, locals have turned the chaos into fun. A group has gathered, splashing and laughing as they turn the flooded field into their makeshift water polo arena. Who needs a stadium when you've got a hurricane-made pool? Massive airplane making its descent, battling fierce headwinds from Hurricane Bert. As it approaches the runway, its wings sway wildly, struggling against the storm's relentless fury. Passengers grip their armrests, eyes wide, as the aircraft tilts and jerks in the turbulent air. The sheer power of the wind makes the scene look like a high-stakes action movie. Yet somehow the pilots, like unsung heroes, manage to keep control and guide the plane to an incredible landing. A heart-stopping moment in aviation history. In the wake of the devastating storm Bert, an astonishing spectacle has left witnesses speechless. A lone car battling its way through raging waist-deep floodwaters that surged with terrifying force. As torrents of water surged through streets once familiar, this fearless vehicle surged forward, defying nature's wrath with every determined mile. Spectators watched in awe and disbelief as the car navigated treacherous currents and submerged obstacles, showcasing an extraordinary display of resilience and sheer willpower. Disaster strikes, flood wall collapses, leaving town drowning in chaos amid violent tornadoes. In a nightmarish turn of events, the unthinkable has happened. A once trusted flood wall protecting the heart of a bustling town crumbled like a house of cards. Within moments, the entire town was engulfed in a relentless tide of floodwaters, turning streets into rivers and homes into watery prisons. The devastation was swift, merciless, and total. But the horror didn't stop there. As if the flooding wasn't enough, monstrous tornadoes tore through the region with savage ferocity, ripping apart what little remained standing. Entire neighborhoods vanished in the blink of an eye as the sky churned with destructive power. Residents were left scrambling for survival, facing a double catastrophe that pushed them to the brink. How did this fortress of protection fail so catastrophically? And can this town ever recover from nature's unrelenting fury? Brace yourself for the shocking details of this heart-stopping disaster that has left an entire community on the edge. Just days ago, the landscape was unrecognizable. Violent winds howled, torrential rain hammered down, and nature unleashed its full fury in a storm that left devastation in its wake. But now, it's almost too surreal to believe. The once turbulent skies have cleared, revealing a breathtaking blue canopy. Trees that survived stand tall, their leaves glistening with fresh droplets. The streets, once submerged, now echo with the peaceful chirping of birds and the gentle murmur of life returning to normal. It's as if the storm never happened, an eerie but beautiful calm replacing the chaos. How did this shattered world recover so quickly? Was it sheer resilience, or is there something magical about nature's ability to heal? Witness the miraculous rebirth of serenity, a moment that feels almost too perfect to be real.